2nd of March 2021, we have a gap down of around from where it closed yesterday. We have around 300 points of gap down in Bank Nifty, but there are certain levels below it that I need to take care of. Another 10 seconds left for the market to open. As you can see, everything is in red. I just need to be ready. As soon as it opens, I might have a trade. It'll open right here if you can see that. There it is, right? And as expected, it dropped. We have 30,500 is what I'm seeing. It's an important level to cross. And Nifty 50 on the other hand expected a good drop, and there it is. We are at 14,200 PE, 14,200. Today I'll have to be really careful because the market seems to be gapping down, plus it's a Thursday expiry, so you can expect a lot of reverse movements, whether it is green or red, in huge candles, no matter what the mother trend is. So I'll have to be really careful. So let me see if I can find a flag pattern. If I find a decent flag pattern, then I am in for it. Let's see how it goes. Why am I taking this quantity? Because I am pretty confident that we are expecting a gap down. These are people booking profits, right? And as it goes down, okay, mark this pink. I don't know if I'll have the time for marking it pink. There it is. Are you showing me weakness, my friend? Come on. Okay. We have Nifty 50, 14,200 PE. This. It's a rock solid level, this bottom, right? And it is not easily going to cross. And if it crosses, then we are all in for it. Let's see how this goes. Okay, starting to move in our favor, but if this goes green, then I am out of it. I like the flag pattern that it has formed. So I'm expecting it to at least come down till here. If not, I am out pretty darn fast. Very nice. Can I expect it to go down? Right. Only thing is that can I expect it to drop further? Is a question. I should not be looking at the P&L, because that usually messes up with my head and says, oh no, that's a good amount. Let's just take it out right now. For example, like this, it shows the green and then it continues to show the green. Then I am out of this trade because I don't want to lose my profit right there. Can I expect it to go down? I'm actually holding this trade for too long. I'm holding it too long. So I'm happy to take the trade. I'm happy to come out of it. Let's see how Bank Nifty on the other hand is doing. Great. It's in a range. Very nice. I like it. So 3600 is what my target is. I can go ahead and keep it ready. 3600 PE. Can I expect it to drop? Very nice. I like it. Go ahead, brother. Drop, 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 drop. If not, just exit. If not, just exit. There you go. It's starting to reverse. I'm already in a big loss. Right. Look at the way this is moving. These numbers are moving. It's minus 200 plus 600. That is insane. And the volatility is crazy. So I'll have to be extremely quick. Really quick. Right there. There it is. Starting to return. Am I expecting a bigger loss? Uh-oh. As I hold it, it just keeps on returning on me. Can I expect it to go back up? Am I? Yes, it's going back up. Okay, I'm going to accept that loss. I had a good quantity over there. So there it is. Huge loss. That's okay. That's okay. We have 3600 PE. I'm just going to use 3700 PE and wait for this to probably shoot down. 3700. There it is. You'll never know. People were expecting it to go down today and the market decides to go elsewhere. Highly possible. You can never tell. But this was a nice flag pattern. And then I rightly got into a trade. But the exit should have been sooner. As soon as I saw it going against me, I should have exited. But then I am guilty of doing such things more often. I ended up in a bigger loss, which is still fine. I think, you know, I still have a good range to cover. So I am still in on a good side, I guess. On price action standpoint, this is a very nice move. I'm so happy I got out of that trade. Otherwise, I would have been in a very big loss. 2 trades and I am at minus 3000 something. So, still okay. I am still expecting that, okay, the important level is that this has to be broken for me right now. This important level has to be broken. And if it further goes down from there, then we might be having a trade. How's Nifty 50 doing? Very nice reversal. It came back to where it started. Can I expect it to come back down? We don't know. Okay, 3,700. That's a big loss. For first 2 trades, usually end up in a big loss when I have a huge quantity, and as expected, it is a big loss. But then, let's see, my quantity was 125 and 300, right? So 4 lot, that's fine. Usually on a Thursdays, I prefer, to taking only 1 lot, but then I ended up in taking 2 lots today, which is okay. Let's see. It has crossed the nice 9 EMA, and maybe we might expect it to go down from here. 14,200. Can I expect 14,200 to come back? Can I? The market is going to be really volatile today because of the expiry. Plus, yesterday people were not trading, so okay. Third, okay. Do we have a trade? Let's see if this makes a flag pattern and then continues up, then we're gone. Now I'll have to be really careful which side. I need to be sure which side the market is going. If it crosses this up again, then we have a trade on the upper side. If it doesn't, then we are certain that it can go down from there. So let's see. The moment I take more quantity is exactly when I lose maximum money. It's most of the time the case. But then I also got out really fast, so I'm quite happy with that. There's no trade for me here. I'll have to be extremely careful. Wow. Are you telling me the market is on an upside move today? Okay, I'll have to give it some time right now. If this is taken out, then we have a decent price action, being worked upon. Again, it's the starting of the day. I don't want to, still say that, oh, it's going to take a particular direction, but then this is how it looks. This is an engulfing candle, green color. Uh, it is bullish engulfing, so let's see. Can I cross it? Or it's gonna eat me up. I'm not taking the trade until I'm certain which the direction is. Then after that, we'll probably take one or two trades more. That's it. So first trade got around 600. Okay. Second trade is minus 4,400. Which side are you going, my friend? You see, as per price action, this is going up. Clearly made a nice flag pattern and it is moving up. A lot of people are buying it. Okay, this level is, I think, taken out. I'm happy I was quick at taking out, otherwise my loss would have been massive. Really, really big loss. People are losing confidence in PE. Can you believe it? 3,500 over 3,900. Let's see. Oh yeah, people are losing confidence in PE. Probably because they are seeing the market going towards where it started yesterday. Or this is the low of yesterday. Can I expect it to break? All the P's are in red right now, so it's dropping pretty aggressively. So I'll have to be extremely careful until this takes a direction. Okay, I think I'll just hold on for some time until I have a clear direction in sight. Then I'll probably take a trade. Till then, I don't see any trade as of now. I'll get back to you once I see something of a direction that is coming up. I expect 30,700 PE. Can I expect it to continue going down? Let me see if I get a flat pattern or something of that sort. And if it does, then I'll buy it. I see this is a very strong level that it has to cross. And if it does, then probably we can expect it to go lower. Okay, this is good. I see a nice flat pattern. Let us see if it takes out this. If it takes out this, then we are having a trade. Bank Nifty. But thinking too much, struggling too much is where I'll have to be extremely cautious. Don't take this much time. If it takes this much time, then I strongly feel it's going to be a range market. It's going to eat up all the money of all the people. But then, is it? We don't know. Let's take it and test the waters. Okay. I'm not holding it for too long. As you can see, the values are fluctuating. I'm not going to hold it for too long. I'm just going to get peanuts. Now I'm already in a big minus. Big minus for sure. There it is. There you go. You see? Big minus. Can I expect it to go down, or should I be selling it away? That's it. So when I see most of my trades are going in negative, then I have to be really careful. Usually I don't do back-to-back trades like this, and it's not good for me. And if it does, then we know that we can expect this. I can expect big huge green candles on the opposite direction today. It's not going to let go easily. Again, I held it for too long. The moment I saw the negative, I should have exited out. But then that's what I'm guilty of. What happens is the mindset is, okay, let me recover this loss. Let me just see that this is taken away. Even if I got 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, I am expected to get out of it. So that's that. Let me see if I get another shot. See, clearly price action is in place. Okay, Nifty 50 is broken and gone up. So that is probably why we are expecting even that to go up. Let's see. Everybody expects it to go down today, but then the market knows that everybody is expecting it to go down. So it'll take its own direction. So we'll have to be extremely careful right now. 3 trades done and I am at a loss of minus 5,000. This is my entire last week's earning. You hold it for too long, your losses are so huge. You just don't want to exit with the big number. But then you have to exit, take a new trade, take a better trade, so that we can come back to wherever it is. So for me, my target today is, even if I can get it to 0, I'll be happy with it. Even if I get it to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, anything is actually better than this. So let's see. Okay, market seems to have chosen a direction. That's good. Can I expect it to go till here? Okay, very nice. Clearly bank nifty is in a range, and a very small range, that too. And if I continue trading, that is for sure I'm going to end up losing more and more. There is no doubt about it. If you see all the PEs, most of them are in red right now, even though it is quite below it. So it's a matter of time. We'll come to know whether it tries to cross this range or not. Nobody has confidence that it's going to go higher right now. No, actually, people have confidence that it's going to go higher. My plan was not to take more than 2 trades, sorry, not to take more than 2 lots on a Thursday. But then something said that, okay, it's going to go down today. So why not, book a decent profit. It was clearly the reason why most of the time when I have a direction in mind and then take a trade, I usually end up going in big loss as well. So 2 more trades according to me. Let me see if I have a direction and if it can take out that direction. Price action standpoint, still we are good. Let's see. Okay, I'll get back to you if I find a setup.